this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. You can see I have a big box in front of me, box K88. I want to do a review for you guys. This came from Amazon, you see here. So I have some special product for you to show you, to share with you. Nothing special, it's a box of Amazon Prime. I've got today. Delivery was very fast, 2 or 3 days, something as this. I'm gonna use my popular knife for this unboxing purpose. You can see, there we go. Let's cut the box. Okay, let's see what we have. Beautiful. We have a skate board. Beautiful. What else in the box? Nothing, only some paperwork. I put one side this box and let me show you this skates board. Wow, this is really good. I'll put this one. Lovely, very strong and elegant. And I'm not expert on skateboards. You see, I have some tool to adjust. I think this for adjust the wheels or other stuff. But you see, I'm not expert on this, I'll tell you guys, but very lovely and smooth. Let's see. You see how it is, the design. Something as design of Guns and Roses. Excellent. You have a skull with the rose and other things. You see the wheel, very durable and strong. See here some knob. Here pressure knob here. So this is here, this tool for tight and loose, the where you want the height and other things. And here you have some more screws, so you can change the location if I'm not wrong. But look at this, guys, very heavy. Could be 10 to 15 kilo, I think. Is heavy, very durable thing. And you see, guys, as Darby Allen of AEW skates boards normally can pull this up as this. I'm not expert in this. This lovely looking skateboard is from Kinskate.es. They are very good product. At the moment, this one is in promo. You can buy only $32.99. Normally these are 46 to 50 euro. In other places could be more expensive. So only $32.99. This lovely looking heavy duty professional skateboard. There could be more heavy version, but this is a good one. And professional, I feel if you hit someone with this, you can break his skull. Okay, I'm kidding, you should not hit anybody. Okay guys, so this is unboxing of skateboard. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Arts Communication, www.artscommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.